I've waited over a week since this update in the hopes that I would be able to show it to you in action. Unfortunately, that's still not happening. I'm going to do the best I can to show you what Design Space Desktop version 6.16 is going to be like. My name is Ruth, and this is Hank's Maker Mentor. Overall, it's a small update with just 2 features: Universal Search, which we'll cover in just a second, and faster design space upgrades. So now when you open up Design Space, instead of having to wait for it to download the update, you'll now be able to continue working. It'll download behind the scenes, and then you'll get a notification to install it once it's ready. So you don't have to wait for it to download before you can start working. There is a print and cut alignment fix for the Cricut Series 3 machines. I am excited about Universal Search. There have been times where I've been looking through Design Space for something and I thought it was an image, but it was actually a project. And since I'm looking in images, it won't show me the project results. Now we've got Universal Search. You'll go onto the home screen. This is a screenshot of what it'll look like. And you'll have this bar here that lets you search images, projects, and profiles all in one. If you know it was a North Pole related thing, you can just type in North Pole here and it'll show you the images, but it'll also show you any projects or profiles that are related as well. The projects it's going to search through are your projects, Cricut projects, and the community projects. You've got pretty much everything covered. I can't think of anything it's not going to be searching, since images will also search your uploaded images. Unfortunately, this is the part that's really dragging on me showing it to you in action, since Universal Search is being rolled out even slower than version 6.16. They think it's going to be a few weeks before everybody gets it. But it's exciting. If you've got this feature already, let us know in the comments. How is it? Is it working well? To stay up to date on other Cricut Design Space updates and Cricut projects, make sure you go ahead and click subscribe and the bell icon. Since Cricut releases unexpectedly, videos can come out unexpectedly as well. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, bye.